You too. What is good, family? It's your boy DTSL, and we are back here with another video on the topic of chakras, family. Now, this video is going to be a continuance from my last video, family. So, if you haven't checked that out, go ahead and definitely hit that link up top, fam. But without further ado, this video is going to dive deep into the different stages that are associated with these chakras, family, along with along with the different blockages. How do you know when these energies are flowing properly, correctly? So, with that being said, the blockages are definitely great to take note of and be able to point out and be aware of. So, you can distinguish whenever your energy centers are flowing, whenever your chakras are aligned, or whenever they are blocked. But without further ado, family, let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, family, the first chakra that we're going to deal with today is the root chakra. Now, the root chakra deals with what makes you feel safe, your grounding, your security, your comfort and stability. Now, what actually blocks this chakra is fear or trauma, family. Now, trauma can be anything, any emotional bad experience that may be small or large. Now, some signs that this chakra is actually blocked may be you being over aggressive. You may be a little restless, or not even eating even. The next one is the sacral chakra. Now, this deals with your creativity and stability, family. Now, this also goes hand in hand with your sexuality, your intimacy, and your emotions. Now, what actually blocks this chakra is your lack of control in life. Being uncertain, feeling like nothing is going your way in that general sense. Now, some actual signs that this chakra might be blocked is when you're emotionally overreactive or even have addictive behavior, or possibly you might be showing signs of depression. Um, Along with the next one being solar plexus, family. Now, this one revolves around strength. Now, the solar plexus also goes hand in hand with your energy, vitality, along with your desire and willpower. Now, what actually blocks this chakra is your lack of purpose or direction in life, where you don't really know where to go, or you don't really have an idea in that general sense. And what actually, like some signs that show some signs that you might see to know that this chakra is blocked is when you starting to have low energy, or you have a weak will. Weak will meaning like uh you don't act on your choices. You more so are easily influenced by others. You go off of other people's choices. Along with not sticking up for yourself, simply put. Um, the next one is the heart chakra, family. Now, of course, this one deals with lack of forgiveness, family, or being stuck on past situations. Um, that's what blocks this chakra. But of course, it deals with love. But with that being said, family, some actual signs that this chakra is blocked is when you're lacking empathy, or possibly having problems with your heart, or maybe you might be overly critical in that general sense. Uh, Not having compassion. Um, the next one is the throat chakra, family. Now, this chakra is actually blocked by not communicating effectively, or simply not speaking your truth. If you have something to say or something that's on your heart or mind, not speaking it out and holding it within. Um, Along with the throat chakra goes hand in hand with healing, communication, along with personal truth. My bad, family. I'm over here looking at some notes. That's why I keep looking down. But also your personal truth. And some signs that this chakra might be blocked is when you might be a poor listener, or you might have a fear of speaking, along with just having a difficulty communicating your feelings, as well as You might also be getting headaches, family. So be on the lookout for that. That's also a sign that your throat chakra might be blocked. Um, the next one is the third eye chakra. Now, the third eye chakra deals with losing your sense of direction, family. Now, you don't really know where to go, or in a general sense, you might be lost or confused in life in that sense. Now, this goes with your clairvoyance or your intuition, as well as just being aware of the given situation or just yourself in general. Now, some signs that this chakra might be blocked is when you have poor vision, or you might reject the spirituality concept as in all or in general. You also might lack clarity in that sense. And the next and last one is the crown chakra. Now, the crown chakra also goes hand in hand with the throat chakra. I personally feel as if you have your head chakras aligned, then your crown chakras should be aligned. Head chakra being you got your crown, you got your third eye, and you got your throat. I say head chakras though, because when I think of throat, I think of speaking, communicating. So your mouth is on your head, family. But with that being said, if those aren't aligned or one of those are off balance, family, then your crown chakra is going to be off balance. And what deals with the crown chakra is your enlightenment, your understanding, or deeper understanding, I should say. Uh, your consciousness. And some signs that you might start to show that shows that this chakra is blocked is when you might be depressed, family, or you might have neurological disorders, or possibly you might just simply lack direction. And with that being said, family, the reason why it's so important for your chakras to be balanced and aligned is because an imbalanced or unaligned chakra system causes health problems. Now, these health problems might come up in particular ways that I just discussed for whatever particular chakra. But if they aren't resolved, family, they can expedite themselves into deeper situations or deeper problems, deeper rooted problems, such as illnesses, diseases, along with mental health challenges. And with that being said, family, this is why the chakra system is so important. The chakra system goes deeper than the spiritual level. It also goes hand in hand with that health. But with that being said, family, if you learned something today, go ahead and hit that like button and definitely hit that subscribe button. Definitely don't want to miss out on new content that's coming up in the future, family. Along with for my new folks, show some love and definitely hit that like if you made it this far in the video. If you haven't even subscribed yet, I appreciate the love, family, for you just getting the view. But with that being said, it's your boy DTSL, family. I hope you've been drinking your water, staying blessed, and I'm out.